Imagine a robot. Perhaps you're thinking about a Roomba that cleans floors or a drone that takes videos. These robots are tools. They are a device that you use for a particular purpose. Now today, researchers like myself are thinking about, can robots be more than tools? Could they be a teammate? So let's break down what that means. First, a good teammate is really committed to the team's goals. And so, for instance, imagine you wanted to prepare a meal for your family. The robot would have to take actions that contribute to that goal. Second, a robot teammate has to have positive qualities that facilitate coordination and foster collaboration. And an example is active listener. So this robot has to be able to listen to your preferences for the task, but perhaps also recognize when something is not going well and ask, hey, what's up? Did I do something wrong? Now, lastly, and this is really the hardest thing, we want robots to be proactive in a useful way. And what this means is that, well, good teammates don't just follow instructions. They actively seek solutions to problems and even more, try to find ways to make the collaboration better. And so we're getting closer to this reality. Research in artificial intelligence and human-robot interaction is paving the path to all these capabilities so that robots can be effective teammates that help you achieve your goals.